Hi, tutors. My name is Sarah Johnson, and I'm the Graduate Writing Coordinator here in the Writing Center. And I wanted to send a quick video to welcome you to the Writing Center and also to let you know a little bit about who I am and my role in the Writing Center. So first of all, welcome to this brave new virtual world, as it were. Really excited to have you here in the Writing Center. I know that my work with every student that I meet is really fulfilling, and each student that I meet with also brings a new kind of perspective often to my own, version of writing. So welcome. I hope that you enjoy. I'm sure you will enjoy and that you will rock your upcoming sessions, but it's really exciting to have you here in the Writing Center. So my role in the Writing Center as GWC, or Graduate Writing Coordinator, is to work exclusively with graduate students who are working on a thesis, a dissertation, or an article for publication. And sometimes I also work with students who are, writing or working on a conference paper for an upcoming conference. So there's a little bit about the students that I work with, the kinds of writing that I work with as well. So it's basically any kind of graduate student who's working on a kind of professional academic genre, if you will. These sessions are a little bit different than the sessions that you'll find on, Fairfax, or the other sessions that the Writing Center offers, because for each session, the writer will upload their draft, whatever that draft or document is, and at least 24 hours before their appointment. And during that 24 hours, I will read for about an hour their work, making notes, comments, things like that. And then during the 45-minute meeting that I have with each student, we'll go over my thoughts and my questions. So that way, each meeting that I have, I'm able to cover, more ground than in a typical meeting because of the read-ahead format. So that's how the sessions, are structured, and that's the primary difference between a normal session and a thesis dissertation session. It's the extra preparation that goes into it that makes it a little bit different. I myself am a graduate student. I'm a PhD student here in the Writing and Rhetoric program at George Mason. I am in the dissertation phase, finally, after I think it's been 4 years. I passed my comprehensive exams in January, which was really great. So now I'm working on crafting my dissertation and getting ready for that, which is really exciting and also really great because the students that I work with, we're able to identify with each other often, especially about exams and that whole process. I've also been published in a couple of academic peer-reviewed journals, and one of those publications was about mindfulness. So if you ever have questions about de-stressing or strategies that you could use during a session with writers who are particularly, stressed or worried, especially now, with this pandemic that we're facing, feel free to ask me any questions that you have. Just talk to me, chat. You can email me directly. Also feel free to just send me a direct message on the Slack that we have here in the Writing Center. And again, my email is on the Writing Center website. It's also on the wiki page as well. So yeah, feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to talk to you, especially when it comes to graduate writing. Grad school itself. I also have a master's degree, my bachelor's is as well. So I've been in college for a while, and I've been in grad school for, I'd say about 7, 8 years now. It's been a while. So I'm not an expert on graduate students, but I've certainly been one for a long time. So if you find, again, that you're working with a graduate writer and you just like to talk about any, some kind of issue that came up, or, you want to talk about grad school or anything like that, feel free to come talk to me. I'm your person, as well as all the other administrators in the Writing Center. Susan is fantastic. Courtney is fantastic. The other gradmins are all fantastic. We have great relationships with each other. And, I'm sure as you'll continue to find, that's one of the major strengths of this Writing Center is the relationships that we build. My dog has gotten off the couch, so I think that may be a signal that he is hungry, and I would like to end this video before he starts barking. So with that being said, again, welcome to the Writing Center. I think I'll be able to make this video about 5 minutes exactly, which is really great for efficiency and hopefully, not taking up too much of your time. So again, welcome. Really excited to have you, and I'm really excited to get to know you over the course of these next few months. If you have questions, reach out. If not, I hope that the middle of your week or whenever you receive this video is going as well as it can. And again, welcome.